In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Valorant gift card. If you want a quick, secure way to top up your account or send a gift to a friend, a digital Valorant gift card is one of the easiest options. We'll walk through exactly what to click and what to look out for so you can complete the purchase with confidence. Start by opening a reputable online store that sells game gift cards. This can be a major online marketplace or, even better, a Riot-authorized retailer. Stick with trusted sellers and check the product page carefully so you know you're getting an official code. It's also smart to make sure the card matches your region and currency, since gift cards are often region-locked. In the store's search bar, type Valorant gift card. Look for a listing that clearly states digital delivery or digital code. You want a product that sends a code to your email, not a physical card that ships in the mail. Take a quick glance at the seller rating and the item description to confirm it's specifically for Valorant, not a generic gaming card. Next, choose the amount you want. Common options include $10, $25, $50, or $100. Pick the denomination that fits your budget and your plan. Maybe you're eyeing a specific skin bundle, or you just want a quick top-up. Remember, pricing and availability can vary by region, so select the option that matches your local currency when possible. When you're ready, click Add to Cart or Buy Now. If you're purchasing more than one card, adjust the quantity before proceeding. On the checkout page, you'll enter your payment details. Most stores accept credit or debit cards, and many also support digital wallets like PayPal. Make sure your billing information is accurate and your email address is spelled correctly, since that's where your code will be delivered. After you review your order summary, confirming the product is a digital Valorant gift card and the amount is correct, complete the purchase. Some retailers may ask you to verify your payment or confirm your identity as a standard security step. That's normal and helps protect your account. Once payment is approved, watch your inbox. Digital gift cards usually arrive within minutes. You'll receive an email containing your Valorant gift code and, in many cases, simple instructions from the retailer. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time. Occasional delays can happen during order verification. Also, keep an eye on your promotions or spam folders just in case. That's it. With the code in hand, you're set to redeem it on your Riot account and enjoy your in-game content.